Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the redeem option in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. This tutorial is especially for the beginner players. If you are a pro player, you can skip this video guys. Maybe some of you are still confused on how to redeem a code in the Fish It game. So I'm going to show you how you can redeem it. Okay, first thing first, if you want to redeem a code, you can go to this shopping icon. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down guys. Just scroll down until you find the redeem codes menu, and you can enter the code here. Okay, and just click on redeem. And yeah, that's so simple, but maybe it's still a little bit confusing because before I found it, I tried to click all this menu, even the setting menu, but apparently the redeem codes menu is here. Okay guys, and that's how we can find the redeem option or redeem button in Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.